Today I'm going to show you how you can get 2,500 of Openai free credits for 6-month validity. Okay, you can see I got this credit 1 month back. It's in my account. See, let me show you the full balance. There you can see I got 2,500 free credit. I haven't used it yet. So now I'm going to show you how you can get this credit for free. So first of all, you need to have a LinkedIn account, not a new created. It must be your own. You used it like regularly. It needs to be real LinkedIn account. So first of all, go to this website, foundershub.startups.microsoft.com, or you can search it on Google. Okay, you can search in the Microsoft Founders Hub. Then come here and click on this link, apply with LinkedIn. Okay, just wait. Okay, there you go. I already logged in this account, so it didn't ask me my email and password. Whenever you try to click on apply LinkedIn, it will ask you for your LinkedIn email and passwords. Sorry. It will ask you LinkedIn email and password, then you log in to this and you get to this portal. Okay, now first of all, what they're asking, my contact email. So I already have contact email which is attached to my LinkedIn account. So next, it is already, if you want to change this email, you can change it by clicking on edit and then change it. Okay, so I don't need to change it, I don't want to change it. So now after this, you can fill this box. What they're asking describe your founder journey. Here you can describe your founder journey, the projects you are going to apply for. They are asking some projects. Okay, after that you can click next. For example, if I like to do for my okay, I'm just going to show you the process. I'm not filling anything here because I already have applied. Okay, here you can see then it comes with a startup name. The startup name means the project name, the project you're going to apply. For example, if you have a website called is get free AI image just.com. Let's say you have a website like this, so you just name your project here. It's maybe get free AI. So just an example. Okay, then come to the website .com. So I just used a dummy website here. So next, it's asking what's your startup's primary business model. So you can select either of this B2C. Select B2C. Okay, B2B is it's not for us. Just select B2C. Then what industry does startups serve? So you just select the category of your website or the project here. In this case, for my case, I'm selecting telecommunication. And what's your startup experience level with Azure? Okay, for me, I can say moderately familiar or expert with Azure. And describe your software solution. Now here you need to describe about your project. The project you made. Here we just select an example of the get free AI images. So if in this case we can like my website is about AI auto image generator etc., etc. So you just describe the project about your project. Let's say you have a website, and then describe the project details about here. Okay, make sure you write it within like few lines, not like big lines. Okay, you can do it like 10 or 15 lines. Okay, that's it. Next, they're asking, okay, let's paste it here. What's the development stage of your software solution? Now select concept design. Now they're asking the what's the stage, the current stage of your project. Concept design, prototype, building MVP in market, established market. Let's say you have a website, but you haven't deployed it on the website. It is under maintenance, like under designing or under coding. It's not completed. But in that case, you can select concept design. If your website is just designed, or like some link you have, let's say GitHub, you can select prototype. Or if it's building MVP, the website is live, then you can select this one. Or if your website is in good format, select this one accordingly. Okay. Next is what categories most closely describe your software solution. Select up to 5. So select the category here. We can select artificial intelligence. Okay. In my case, I select one. Then they are asking share a photo demo or a video over the video. No, you can send a video like use your mobile front camera and giving some instructions about your projects, or you can ignore it. This is not like mandatory. There is no asterisk here. So this is not important. You can ignore it. Then click on next. After clicking next, please provide more information. Then about what generator my website is giving next. There was a okay. I need to specify the STS. Select next. Okay. Now it is so simple that I just provide my address here. So in my case, I add my address. Your business is incorporated as form of a legal entity. No. Okay. Here I just provide my address here. I'll click next. Okay. Is that giving some suggestion of my address? Affiliation here. Asking what's your startup current funding stage? Let's say not funding, self-funded. You can select it or select accordingly. Then which if any Microsoft partners are invoking or things like that. So, okay, you can ignore it. Okay, if you don't have this, you can ignore these options and then click on next. Then more about the technical founder. So I'm a technical founder, so I select a technical founder, and then what's your self-identified gender? I'm a male. Definitely can select a male. If you're a female, or prefer not to say, you can select this. Then click on next. After next, it's going to be apply for my account. So I'm not going to select. I'm not going to forward next. So this is the way you can get the Openai credit. So that's it for today. So there you can see my credits again. It's big, 2,500 is really big.